As filmmakers, we have a huge responsibility of representing our country in the right way. I really want to see me or one of my colleagues to stand an Oscar on the stage and win it for India. It will only happen if we compete with them, and to compete with them, we have to be excellent. We cannot be mediocre.
What if I tell you that Dhurandhar the Revenge might be in danger? नहीं नहीं मैं यश के टीम से नहीं हूँ. People are thinking what could possibly go wrong. There are no major clashes or significant releases scheduled in the upcoming month. The sequel to the last year's most celebrated movie is set to be released. तो क्या ही हो सकता है? तो आओ मैं बताता हूँ क्या हो सकता है. I mean, everyone is taking Aditya Dhar's peak detailing side, तो मैंने सोचा कि self proclaimed daddy के side भी थोड़ा बोलना जरूरी है. I'm just kidding. Another one of the finest edited trailers has dropped. I mean, they have mainstreamed these Dhurandhar edits, which are actually fun to watch whenever they appear. By the way, मैंने भी किया था Insta पे, like कर देना भाई. This trailer features the music of Bari Barsi Khatan Gayasi. We had heard it at nearly every haldi ceremony of Bollywood films. But this intense version, bhai saab, goosebumps khade ho gaye mere. If you remember, the trailer of Dhurandhar focused on the character of Hamza Ali Mazari, which is why they didn't mention its name and just showcase the character of Ranveer himself. However, we have all speculated and anticipated that this movie will primarily focus on the character journey of Jaskirat Singh Rangi. क्योंकि इस बार तो रहमान भाई भी नहीं आने वाले हैं टेस्ट को लाइकेबल बनाने के लिए. अस्सलाम वालेकुम नियारी. तो it will be a great decision to make Ranveer's real identity more alive. Major Iqbal will not be an option. When you have established a character as diabolic, placing them in a familial context is challenging. This time, the focus will be fully on Jaskirat Singh Rangi, who had indeed overpowered Hamza following the 26/11 incident. We will witness Hamza's stature intertwined with Jaskirat's soul. The visuals of this trailer look impressive, showcasing a sense of grandeur. लग ही नहीं रहा है कि दोनों movies एक साथ shoot किया गया है. Now let's predict where this movie will go. After the elimination of Rahman Dakat, Doctor! There will be a rise of Uzair Baloch, his cousin, where his right-hand man will be Hamza. रहमान भाई के दुख भरी cremation के बाद, when the fingers point at Arshad Pappu for the orchestration of Rahman's killing, then there will be a gang war. शक तो पहले से ही है जब अखलाक को सुपारी दिया गया था. That will be concrete this time, which leads to the decapitation of Arshad Pappu. Then Uzair will announce FIFA in Liari. और अगर ये सीन सच में दिखा दिया ना सेंसर बोर्ड ने, तो मैं लुइस लेन का पप्पी बुलाने के लिए तैयार हो गई. And now, the only gang that will remain in Liari will be Rahman's gang. The remaining Pappu gang will definitely join Dakat's gang, where Rizwan will be the prime leader to manipulate the team members to do so. By the way, have you guys noticed Rizwan in this training montages with Jaskirat here? Comments में बताना. Now the biggest obstacle for Hamza will be Uzair, जिसका तो पूरा भरोसा है हमजा के ऊपर. So to eliminate him won't be too much trouble. यहाँ भी 8 to Brutus का chapter 2 होने वाला है शायद. The biggest question that arises will be why would be the gang members of Liari allow Hamza to become their leader? I believe it ties back to the betrayal of Rahman Dakat to Baloch community. मुझे सिखाएगा मादर. This narrative might be revealed by Alam Bhai, who could promote the idea that Hamza is the true soul Baloch, capable of providing identity to the community. This could lead to Hamza's rise as Shere Baloch. Along with that, foreign affairs that developed in India after the Nazar or Sabr of Ajay Sanyal Saab. Nazar or Sabr. And there has to be the inclusion of US and UN. Because as of the record, Bhuttovi got sanctioned by the US Treasury Department in 2011, Javed Khanani found dead in 2016, which might have been an execution by Hamza in this scene. Altaf Khanani got arrested in the US in 2016, Sajid Mir has been in jail since 2022, and Zahoor Mistry, who challenged Sanyal Saab, was shot dead in Karachi itself in 2022 by 2 unknown men. Look, these are all recorded things. Movies में कुछ भी हो सकता है. 3-5 साल का टाइम पीरियड लिया, हमजा ने सबको अकेले निपट दिया, कुछ भी हो सकता है, ठीक है. Parallelly, Major Iqbal, the devil in the room, will become involved in this chaos. He is sensing that he might be losing control over the artillery without the support of BUF. Consequently, he may begin to investigate what is truly happening in Lyari. The sudden shift in power dynamics will likely lead him to uncover answers, resulting shaking hand with SP Chaudhary Aslam. I mean, come on, who might be the best man to get the live updates from Lyari?
आओ तुम्हें बढ़िया चरस पिलाता हूँ.
And that will lead to Zarwari Saab to Jamil Jamali,
Your buttocks are really white.
who might have ultimately disclosed Hamza, a mole in this kingdom. But they can't do much about it because taking any action while not having any concrete evidence might turn the Baloch community against them. And then they might seek the help of Bade Saab. The plan involves orchestrating another attack on India or a different country similar to Pulwama or Uri attack. In this scenario, they would set a trap for Hamza by placing him in a superior level where he would feel a sense of complete authority and take decisive action, जो at the end climax तक जाने वाला है. And when he sensed this wrong move, the climax might have begun. Another theory that Major Iqbal might have noticed Hamza while selecting the date of 9th August doesn't convince me. In high stakes missions like this, if there is any room for doubt about someone's loyalty, I doubt they would hesitate to eliminate that person. So ये नहीं होने वाला है. And also, after all this, I don't think Yalina would be the reason for Hamza's death or something like that. Still, the Gehra Hua's lyrics were so intense. और प्यार में लोग तो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं ना. Till it's an आदित्य धर फिल्म. यशराज का होता तो मैं मान भी लेता. अब गलत ये हो सकता है कि they put a universe in it, which I found will be the most bizarre idea. If it's needed to execute Bade Saab, then make another part na. Sorry. But do not fall into this trap of the universe. I don't think that Aditya Dhar will do such things. This is not a YRF movie where you will expect a team up with 2 or 3 stars to kill one enemy. I don't think it's a good idea. And on the other hand, people might hate me for this. But still, I don't think the inclusion of Imran Hashmi as Bade Saab will be a good decision. The character deserves much more weight and aura to feel diabolical. After the stature of Rahman and Iqbal, this won't be the good decision. But still, if it has already taken place, then I believe in the process of Dhar Saab. Two significant factors could hinder the overall quality of this movie, not in terms of box office performance, but regarding the standard set by the first part. Also, I should say this, people might hold their horses, okay? It will again take time to build its world. It might not like the approach that has been taken, but it won't be pacey like the second half of Dhurandhar itself. It will take time to cover almost 4 hours runtime and utilize it properly. I hope Aditya Dhar did it right because it might be the toughest job for him to convince the real watching audience to sit straight for 4 hours. I'm looking forward to its soundtrack, which will be the prime weapon for them to convince the people and then the moments. Now this Dhuroxi chaos, which might have been the biggest box office clash ever, has been postponed because of simple ego. You have already seen the quality of the first movie and its box office performance, so it would be wiser to postpone your product for a few months, much earlier. That would be a wise decision, not like you have found a room to escape from. I mean, your US premiere numbers have already shown the reality. You will barely generate 40 to 60 crores as per your previous records in the Arab countries, so this doesn't make any sense. Listen, I really hope Toxic will be a banger when it releases like KGF. I really do. लेकिन सिर्फ ऑरा फार्मिंग से तो ऑडियंस
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा
बोल के चले जाएंगे भाई. The empire that you have built should maintain the quality in the end.
अरे रो क्यों रहा है लाले? तूने सुना नहीं? जहाँ दर्द है, वहाँ मर्द है.
And it's really great to see, The domination of the southern movie industry finally getting submerged by quality. कुछ भी नहीं चलने वाला है. वैसे भी कोई भी आए, ध्रुव भाई का इनकम तो पक्का है ना.
कहा बेटा परपेंडिकुलर 5,000 कमाना है.
In the end, I think this movie has insane potential. मतलब क्या ही फट सकता है. Beyond anyone's can even imagine. I really don't know what the probable outcome of it will be. I mean, how far can it go? Listen, these all are my skepticism, so I put it all in here. Before finishing the video, I have to say this. Don't misunderstand it like it's the comeback of Bollywood or even Ranveer Singh. As an actor, he's 11 out of 10 for me, but when it comes to comeback as a star, it is a completely different proposition. He was, is, and will be a gifted actor. I think this single frame is the sole evidence of his talent. There shouldn't be any question in this case. It's solely the rise of Aditya Dhar and his determination towards his ultimate dream that has led to his current mayhem, which is beneficial for us and really, really good for cinema. And that's the video. So what are you thinking about this movie? What it can do in terms of box office or in terms of quality? कितना कसाईनुमा हो सकता है? Let me know in the comments below. You can follow me on my socials. These are the handles. Thank you so much for watching. See you at the point.